Alam mo, you and I can be a perfect team. Congressman, hello po. Ako po si Bernadette Pamintuan. I think of myself as a liaison officer. Pinapadali ko ang proseso with my connections. I mean, really, it's more of a public service.
Fixer.
Of course not.
The absolute nullity of a previous marriage may be invoked for purposes of remarriage on the basis solely of a final judgment declaring such previous marriage void. Como?
Ang gulo. Abogado siya. Hindi pumasa?
The results of the 2008 bar exams have already been completed.
Nanghihinayang ako sa pinag-aralan niyo. Ba't di niyo gamitin sa matinong trabaho?
Magpapakakuba ka para lang umasenso. Kapos ano, makukuwi lang sa wala?
Gusto mo ng racket?
Hindi ako pumapasok sa ganun eh.
Tanggapin na natin.
Puro illegal ang gawain nun.
Kung ayaw mong patulan yung alok niya, ligawan mo na lang.
This is my lawyer.
This is my law.
Let's get down to business. I'm sure it was explained to you by your lawyers about the bouncing checks law. Shall be punished by imprisonment of not less than 30 days, but not more than a year.
Yes! Victory is mine!
Aga Mulat. Regine Velasquez. Of all the things.
Bakit hindi ka pa-review sa tatay mo tapos i-retake mo yung bar?
Ayoko mag-retake.
Si John F. Kennedy Jr. nga, twice bumagsak. Yung ikatlong attempt pa lang niya, tsaka pa lang niya na ipasa yung New York bar.
Kasi yung pang-apat, yung aeroplano niya na bumagsak, di ba?
Si Emil. Welcome to the team.
Paano mo ginawa yun?
Alam mo, dikit ka lang sa akin. Malayo mararating natin.
So in this world of odds and ends, I'd rather have a part of you than all of
Ano ba yun?
so-called friends.
Bicol Express.
You have taught me how to feel
Akala ko akin yan.
what is false,
Kala mo eh.
what is real, of all the things I am.
Kinausap ko ng tatay mo. I-review ka raw niya. It was just a simple misunderstanding, really. Tapos meron akong, ito, application form. Fill-upan mo na lang.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Inaayos ko lang.
Hindi mo ako kliyente. Hindi solusyon sa problema ko mga koneksyon mo. Hindi ko kailangan ng professional fixer dahil ang problema ko totoo, hindi fake.
Directed by Binibining Bernal.
Pakantun ka naman. Ito naman, pakantun lang.